Hello, welcome. My name is Rich Guzman, and thank you so much for stopping by this video today. In today's video, we are going to take step number 3 in the process building your business with Power Lead System. Now, today we're going to talk about traffic. There's a lot of different sources of traffic out there. You have YouTube, you have Facebook, you have Rumble, you have TikTok. The list goes on and on, right? But today I want to talk about email traffic. Email traffic is the fastest way that you can start building your list in rapid speed. Not only that, but you can start making sales starting today. How do we know? Because our team is using it right now as we speak. And it is working like gangbusters. Now, where do we get this traffic from? Well, in the back office of Power Lead System, I'm going to go to my share screen right now, and I'm going to show you, all you have to do is click on the Fast Start right there, and we're going to go over to the Traffic tab, right? Let's click on that one. And as you can see, we have a couple of email traffic providers right here, which is Lead Hero Traffic and Fill Solo Traffic. Now, here's the thing about these vendors. This has actually been tested and proven, and it actually works fantastic. And like I said, our team members are using it, and they're getting results like you wouldn't believe. You see, the most difficult thing, guys, is to get out there and test different traffic and find out what works. And if you don't have the right offer that converts, then you're kind of beating a dead horse. But this offer within the system actually converts very, very well. So if you're brand new and you've never made sales online and you get plugged in with the Power Lead System, all you have to do is follow the steps that we're sharing here through the video series, and you can literally start earning sales in your very first day. It's amazing, and it's very, very quick. Now, let me go back here. Let's see here. So now, guys, what we did is we left the link below this video where you can click on it and actually test David AI, our AI automation system, which is phenomenal, fantastic, and it works very, very good. All right, so be sure to click on that link below, go to the next page, test out the AI system, and see if it's right for you. All right, so with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. I will see you on a new video with the next in the series with Power Lead System 3.0. Take care.